The reason why He's omniscient, omnipotent, and omnipresent is because everything that happens is inside of Him. And
Yeah.
lahat tayo, okay, if I'm gonna answer yung kanina yung question mo kanina about levitation, di ba? We're all actually participating in that being,
Mm.
okay, in that being.
Because we're created in His image and likeness.
Now, by ourselves, okay, we are limited, yes.
Mm.
But the moment that we become attuned
Mm.
to our source, to God, to the infinite dimension,
Mm.
diba? Then there's nothing stopping that God, okay, to make things happen,
Mm.
okay? Because everything exists for Him, diba? So saints that are levitating, for example, possible. I haven't seen them yet, by the way. I haven't seen
Or incorruptible.
or incorruptible. Yes, why? Because God in all His power could actually